Hello, my name is Isaka Uroichiri. I'm a Togolese and a doctoral student at the University of Lomé in sociolinguistics. I'm also an alumnus of Yali Dakar in public management. I'm the coordinator of Global with Togo and an international ambassador of ISFIT International Student Festival in Trondheim, Norway. I'm interested in local languages because I think it is through these languages we can really develop Africa, because we Africans think in these languages. For the network of African youth for the development, I'm interested in it because I think it is when working together as one entity that we can develop Africa. Thank you very much.